A decade has passed since misfortune first struck overnight. Caribbean people woke from their slumber to see their coastlines and nearshore waters mysteriously inundated with floating rafts and piles of sargassum seaweed, leaving widespread environmental and economic fallout in its wake. Industries that form the basis of Caribbean life, fisheries and tourism, were left at a standstill, and many coastal residents affected by sargassum influxes continue to feel overwhelmed, coping with this new reality as best as they can. And while the seaweed continues to besiege us, the SargAdapt team in Barbados, like many others across the Atlantic, have sought to communicate the science as it unfolds, to fill in gaps of knowledge through innovative research and provide guidance for better management. SargAdapt started in 2019 with the ultimate goal of reducing the impacts of and improve adaptation to sargassum influxes in the Eastern Caribbean, of course, with emphasis on converting this hazard into an asset that supports opportunities for socio-economic development. Barbados, Dominica, Grenada, St. Lucia, and St. Vincent and the Grenadines are the 5 countries participating in SargAdapt. The project comprises 3 components, each with its own set of goals and accomplishments. Component 1, knowledge mobilize. Component 2, capacity develop. And Component 3, adaptation plans institutionalize. Part of Component 1 focus on stakeholder engagement and communication strategy. Based on KIIs and CAP surveys, SERMES, in partnership with Canary, developed stakeholder analysis reports and a communication strategy and plan for the 5 project countries. All the knowledge gathered from these surveys informed our upcoming communication campaign being rolled out across the project countries in the coming months. The other part of Component 1 comprised literature review, primary research and drone protocols, and produced several outputs. These include a series of sargassum hazard exposure maps using Google Earth historical imagery for the 5 project countries, the Sargassum Reference Repository, a growing collection of scientific works related to sargassum's biology, impacts, and uses, the SargAdapt Good Practice Guide Series, a series of guidance documents on sargassum monitoring called SMPs for short, which comprises 4 volumes, drones, beaches, species, and biodiversities, with another volume on management coming soon. SMP Drones was also created into a virtual training course where 50 professionals across the project countries were guided in the protocol's method. There are even plans for implementation of the protocol in St. Lucia and St. Vincent and the Grenadines as part of their ongoing sargassum management strategy. We also created a series of interactive ArcGIS story maps to highlight the sargassum-related research taking place through SargAdapt and SERMES. You can check out the Sargassum landing page today and join the thousands of viewers who have already browsed the numerous web pages and other exciting tidbits worth sharing. Component 2 brought forth partnerships which could be doned communities of good practice. Canary and SERMES facilitated the formation of the Regional Sargassum Action Learning Group, which was joined by 51 persons from the wider Caribbean region and the United States of America. Another community created was the Sargassum Action Network, a WhatsApp group boasting 71 participants. A highlight of Component 3 was the production of issues 5 to 12 of Volume 1 and the first 2 issues of Volume 2 of the Sargassum Subregional Outlook Bulletin. A dashboard is currently being created to automate the process. As it relates to formalized institutional arrangements, we are currently updating Volumes 1 and 2 of the Sargassum Adaptive Management Strategy documents created for each project country. We also hope to aid the project countries in their sargassum adaptive initiatives. Of course, none of this would be possible without our team, who have worked assiduously over the last 3 years to execute the objectives of SargAdapt. To dive deeper into our work, be sure to explore the SERMES Sargassum webpage and stay tuned to the SERMES social media profiles for updates. Thank you.